Hello judges, this is Team 2 Bits and this is our project pitch video for Microsoft Imagine Cup. We are presenting our project Public Eye. It is a digital public services transparency platform. As we know, governments manage massive budgets through contracts, tenders and public projects. Yet today's citizens have little visibility into how money is spent, how projects progress, or whether the delay and corruption occur or not. Data is often fragmented, delayed, or opaque, which leads to loss of trust, inefficiency, and misuse of public funds. So, now why this problem matters? According to global reports, billions are lost every year due to lack of transparency in public spending. And citizens want accountability, governments want efficiency and credibility. But current systems fail to connect with these stakeholders in real time, tamper proof, and citizen accessible way. So, here is our solution, which is a web based transparency platform that tracks governments, contracts, projects, and transactions in real time. It is backed by blockchain for data integrity. Every project update, spending, transaction, or approval is recorded and made visible on a public dashboard. Once data is verified, it is retained on the blockchain, making it immutable, time-stamped, and auditable. Also, citizens can view progress, verify records, and report issues. Administrators can monitor activity and generate audit-ready reports. Now, coming to key features of our projects. This is the homepage of our project, and now this is the dashboard of our project where we can see all the active projects and tracked spending by governments, all the departments which are currently handling the projects. Also, we can have citizens reports. We can also see the spending, all ongoing projects and their progress. We can also verify a project. Now, moving to project section. This is the section where all the ongoing as well as completed projects by the government are listed. We can view a specific project and see its progress, or we can also give feedback on this. Now moving to contract section, here we have all the ongoing as well as pending as well as completed projects, contracts given by government to the contractors. And this is the transaction section where we can see all the transactions on this platform. Lastly, we have feedback and report section where we can provide a feedback or report if we find a project is not going well or its progress is not being up to the mark. Lastly, we have a blockchain verification section where we can verify a project the help of its blockchain hash. So this was our project. And now, coming to more features, we can also integrate AI to enhance governance intelligence. We can use AI to analyze spending and project data to detect anomalies, delays, or unusual patterns. Also, we can use NLP, that is natural language processing, that will summarize large audit logs and feedback for the officials. Now, what this platform will do, it benefits the government by improving credibility and operational efficiency. Also, it gives benefit to citizens by giving visibility and a voice. Our project Public Eye bridges the trust gap between government and citizens. By combining blockchain for trust and AI for intelligence, we enable transparent, accountable, and future ready governance. So, this was all about our project. Thank you for your time. We look forward for your questions.